Today, we finally got the first live reveal of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as well as plenty of spec confirmations including the leaked schematics. So first story of the day before we get into the reveal, we've got news from the Navar blog that a supplier source has confirmed that both the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are going to be available with double the storage capacity thanks to a new 2TB model. The same information has also been reported over on Weibo, along with additional information that the 128GB model may be scrapped altogether and 256GB is going to be the starting model. Next up, we got the leaked schematics thanks to Majinbuu on Twitter, and we get to see the iPhone 15 Pro from all angles. Now the schematics confirms that the early leaks were correct, as we've got a much more rounded device overall. We've also got a similar camera layout as the predecessor, and then the mute switch has been replaced with the new action button. Now one of the biggest areas of improvements is of course going to be the new display, and this is going to be both brighter and more accurate than the predecessors, and the bezels have also shrunk to just 1.5mm, and while it may not seem like much, this image posted by Pengstore on Twitter shows the difference between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the 14 Pro Max, and you can see it has been noticeably reduced. Also, a great way to protect your display is by using today's video sponsor, the CaseQ Magic Stand. The CaseQ Magic Stand not only looks great, but it provides incredible protection for your iPhone with a case that protrudes 2.5mm past the camera lenses and the display. And thanks to its lightweight materials, it only adds 2mm of thickness to your iPhone, and thanks to its hidden stand, it also allows you to prop up your phone at any angle between 40 and 120 degrees. It's also got a 48-piece magnet in the center of the stand to support all of your favorite MagSafe chargers and accessories. They're currently running a brand day sale to celebrate the brand's birthday, and you can get 25% off selected products and an additional 15% off during the first hour of each day. The campaign is running today and tomorrow, and of course the links are in the description below. Now back to the iPhone 15, we've got live leaks of the USB-C port as well as the whole iPhone 15. Now if we start with the USB-C connectors, well, many doubted that it was going to happen this time round. All of the iPhone 15s are changing to USB Type-C, and we've got these photos of the boards with the USB-C connectors. The switch to USB-C means the iPhones are not only going to get faster data transfer speeds, but we're also going to get faster charging speeds as well. Next up, we've got live photos of the iPhone 15 Pro model thanks to reliable leaker Ice Universe, and his images show the iPhone 15 from a few different angles, but it's also in a protective case. Now Ice Universe reports this as the real iPhone 15 Pro, although he does say it's unconfirmed. And realistically, because most of it is covered up by this case, it's pretty hard to tell, so I'd take this one with a grain of salt for now. Of course, given the fact that we've already had plenty of CAD and leaked schematics, the dummy units are still going to be pretty accurate anyway. But of course, the iPhone 15 series are launching on the 12th or the 13th of September this year. We're going to see the iPhones alongside the new Apple Watch Series 9. While Apple have done a great job at keeping the prices similar in recent launches, unfortunately we can expect rises this time around, and it's said that it could be up to $200 more for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As soon as I hear anything else though, I'm going to be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.